Returning guests, it is great to see you all here at Wealthy Coin. Consequently, you ought to possess 2 million Shiba Inu tokens. A joyful countdown by the Shinu development team stunned the Shib army. At the moment, a mysterious countdown featuring a Shiba Inu staring through a window may be found on the official Shib swap page. With less than 5 hours to go, the Shib's army is waiting on Twitter for the big announcement. Plus, in this video, we'll go over all the reasons why you should be holding 2 million Shiba Inu tokens and why now is the perfect moment to invest in them. People with 2 million will soon have a fortune in the billions. Allow me to begin the video without further ado. Cryptocurrency fans have speculated that the update would pertain to Shib, which could satisfy the most eager members of the Shib community. Keep up with our latest content on Shiba unpriced predictions and expert analysis by subscribing to the channel, giving it a thumbs up, and sharing it. All three of these projects, Shib the Metaverse, Memcoins, Web3, and Bone, the second alternative coin in the Shino ecosystem, require the Layer 2 upgrade to function. The beta release of Crypto Nutty Shib is almost ready to go live. Following the declaration that the Shiba army has taken over cryptocurrency, the newly created network is set to use Shiba Swap for gas expenses. Twitter, that showcases numerous trending hashtags simultaneously, such as hashtag ShyArmy, Ashbomb, and Ashsharian, it's clear that the Japanese Guard Do-themed Memitcoin is popular. This is supported by the fact that Shib, a 2-year-old meme currency, is already favored by the largest ETH whales, and that it became one of the most watched crypto assets on Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange. But new patterns reveal that Binance Smart Chain VST whales have been popping up at an alarming rate. Even though it's been a brutal crypto winter so far, the overall number of wallets is rising, with SHIB trading hands at 0.868 on December 19th. The meme cryptocurrency is still trading at a significant discount to its critical resistance level of 0.1, which it has maintained throughout the year, despite a 2.1% increase in the past 24 hours, according to CoinEcho. With Bitcoin and Ethereum struggling to maintain key support areas, the Shiba Inu community may be hoping that the price of Shiba Inu will increase and reach $1, possibly supported by the introduction of new tokens. The price of Shiba Inu has risen 1.5% in 24 hours and is among the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the green market. Investors have recently returned their focus to the global meme market. Shortly after an unexplained countdown was posted on the project's Twitter account, the recent decrease in Shiba Inu prices began to level out. Users were kindly requested to grant the domain name service permission to propagate correctly prior to the countdown. As part of the mysterious countdown, the Shibu Incubator is allegedly advertising a possibly groundbreaking reward system which includes Bone and Elish. The price has risen from support at 0.8 after 3 straight green candles were printed. A new 0 is about to be subtracted from the Shiba Inu pricing. At the moment, the price of the second biggest cryptocurrency is 0.871. In order to proceed, the token must overcome the short-term resistance level of 0.9. With any luck, the Shiba Inu price will be pushed up to the 50-day exponential moving average, which provides support at 0.946 as resistance.
It should be noted that SHIB is also approaching a falling wedge pattern with its granding.
At the moment breakout, the bulls are trying to take control at 0.9. There is a glut of sellers, but if the Shiba Inu dog breed breaks out of its present trend, its price can rise by 66.4% to a target of 0.16. A collapsing wedge pattern is a sign of a market turnaround toward bullishness. Traders looking to initiate long positions may want to consider doing so once the Shiba Inu breaks and maintains above the top trend line of the wedge pattern, something may happen shortly in terms of trend. The 66.4% target, which is calculated by extending the wedge's peak points beyond the breakout, shows that this breakout usually causes a clear and significant change in price. Pay great attention to the Shiba Inu price at crucial levels, especially those indicated by the 50-day exponential moving average, EMA, as shown in the image, when following the rising trend in NAS trading. With the stochastic oscillator about to break above the midline, the 100-day and 200-day exponential moving averages might be useful in gauging the strength of the current uptrend. If they fail to do so, it could be inferred that the market is being led by bulls regardless of the current. Despite the market volatility, sentiment suggests that more and more Shiba Inu tokens are being held outside of exchanges. Around 866, 245, 8,099 adjustments have been made. Shiba Inu price support for a lasting recovery to 0.16 could come from further movement into the overbought region, which could attract more sideline buyers to the market. One possible interpretation of this trend, the increasing number of SHIP tokens kept outside of exchanges, is that investors are holding onto the token for the long haul because they think its value will rise in the future. The asset's entry into the multi-billion-dollar payment system would reach another milestone with this Bitcoin wallet that does not require a third party to act as a custodian. According to Garda, over 60 million stores worldwide now take SHIB. The integration of Memcoin into Garda's prepaid Visa card program is the reason behind the success. The website also announced the launch of further tokens, bringing the total number of supported cryptocurrencies to more than 20. Atom and Boost Doge are two more that I have recently acquired. In August of this year, the site debuted its card service. It then went on to say that the service was accessible in another 25 nations. With these interfaces, loading funds onto Garda prepaid Visa cards will be a breeze, so consumers can load up and shop the season away. Virtual and actual cards are both available on the platform. The cards are interoperable with all major payment systems and can be linked to services like Apple Pay. We accept Visa as a form of payment. This card can be used for both online and in-store purchases. Even beyond that, the launch of Garda Wallet's prepaid Visa card is something the company is very pleased to announce. In a recent announcement, the corporation acknowledged that Garda is just one of many payment solutions. The addition of Memcoin support by FCF Pay was made public last month. Also, the business stated that passengers on American Airlines and Air Canada can now use their ships as payment for plane tickets. Amazon and Netflix are just two of the hundreds of online stores that accept prepaid Visa cards that support the fifth cryptocurrency. Except in Canada, and the US FCF Pay cards can only be linked to Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Garda. It went on to say that hundreds of online stores are already taking ship payments, including cryptocurrency-focused Netflix and the enormous online retailer Amazon. In addition, FCF Pay's virtual Visa cards can be linked to Apple Pay and Google Pay in the US and Canada,